Hi guys, first of all a very happy new year. So this is my first YouTube video for 2019. In this video I'll be creating this look. This is an everyday makeup look which I do. Now it is kind of a no makeup look, dewy look, whatever you want to call it. It's a very simple and very subtle makeup and not a lot of products have been used in this look, and the products which have been used are very basic.
I've already prepped my face with moisturizer and primer. I do not use foundation as a base. Instead, I use Garnier's BB cream, which is quite moisturizing and slightly dark for my complexion. Along with this, I mix Lakme's 95cc cream, which is very matte and slightly light for my complexion. Since it is winters, I even used a bit of moisturizer along with the BB and CC cream to get that fresh, dewy makeup look. Now I apply this self-made base with the beauty blender. You can use your fingers, a kabuki brush, anything that you're comfortable with. BBCC creams are the best choice when it comes to a no makeup look. They're light and gives very subtle coverage. Since BBCC creams have very limited shades, you can mix them up like I do. The light dark shade along with the matte and dewy formula of the BBCC cream gives me a perfect base for my skin type. Another tip is to use moisturizer with your matte foundations to get a nice dewy finish base. Now it is very important to blend your makeup on your neck as well. You do not want your neck and face to look separate. At this point you can use a concealer, or you can even build up this BBCC foundation to cover dark spots and the under eye area. Set your eye area with the loose translucent powder. Instead of using a contour shade, I use Garnier's BB cream, which is darker for my complexion. Now you won't see any difference on camera, but in person it gives a very nice natural contour effect. Next, I just comb through my eyebrows and make it look a bit more presentable. You can use an eyebrow pencil or shade to define them. I do not use an eyeshadow for an everyday look, so I use this pen eyeliner from Vestige and make a simple classic liner. Vestige is a brand like Avon, Amway, and you can get them from their members only. The makeup range is really good. Next, I use the Lakme Eyeconic Kajal. Indian girls cannot do without a kajal, and the lipstick and kajal is a must even if you don't know makeup. All the products used in the video will be mentioned in the description, so even if I forget to mention something, you can check the description. Now, a lot of people complain about smudged kajal. A simple trick is to use a powder-based black eyeshadow just under your lower waterline, and that solves the problem. Next, I go in with blush. Again, this one is from Vestige. You will see in a while how pigmented the blush is. If you can't find a member from Vestige, just DM me, I'll send the product across to you. You must have noticed that I do not apply blush on my cheeks, but rather on the center of my face, if that makes sense. I just feel it gives a very youthful look and suits my face more. If you applied a lot of blush or contour or anything, just use your beauty blender over it and it will take away anything that's excess. Next comes the most favorite part of makeup, that is highlighter. Apply them on the high points of your face, that is bridge of your nose, cheekbones and forehead, just below the high point of your eyebrow and over your cupid's bow. This highlighter is from Makeup Revolution, and if you're planning to buy a highlighter, then this one is your best investment. I have got really good compliments whenever I've applied them. For the lips, I used a nude pink matte lipstick from Sephora. Do not forget to apply a subtle amount of mascara, and to complete the whole look, I've used a golden eyeshadow and applied it on the inner corners of my eye, and that's it, the complete look.